Hi everyone, I'm Blair from Bloom with Blair here on YouTube. And today I'm here with HomeGlow to give you guys some tips on how to properly load your stainless steel kitchen items into your dishwasher. So for your stainless steel pots and pans, you want to be sure to rinse off any excess debris or leftover food particles before loading them into the dishwasher. You'll also want to be sure that your pots and pans are securely placed into the dishwasher so that they don't move around or get damaged during the cycle. Always be sure to use detergent that is specifically formulated for stainless steel. You'll want to be sure to choose the appropriate cycle for the level of cleaning needed for your pots and pans. For example, you may want to do a heavy-duty cycle if your pots and pans are heavily soiled. Once your cycle is complete, be sure to remove your pots and pans from the dishwasher and wipe away any excess water so that it does not create water spots. If this seems like a lot of work, don't worry, you can always book someone on HomeGlow for a low price. Okay, so moving on to your stainless steel cutlery. These are items like forks, knives, and spoons. Before placing these items into your dishwasher, you want to be sure to remove any food debris with a soft sponge. Next, it's time to load the cutlery into the dishwasher. For knives, you'll want to be sure to place the handles downwards. And for forks and spoons, you'll want to place the handles upwards. This ensures that the dishwasher spray can reach all parts of the silverware. Again, you'll want to be sure to use a detergent that is specifically formulated for stainless steel. Some detergents can be abrasive and you might end up with scratches on your stainless steel, and that's not something we want to happen. You'll want to be sure to avoid overloading your dishwasher, as this can prevent the water spray from reaching all parts of your cutlery. You'll also want to be sure to run your dishwasher on a normal cycle with warm water to ensure that your cutlery is cleaned thoroughly. Once your dishwasher cycle is done, be sure to remove all your cutlery and wipe them down with a soft towel. So for your stainless steel water bottles and travel mugs, you'll want to be sure to remove any excess liquid by pouring it out and rinsing it with hot water. You'll want to remove any straws, caps, and other detachable parts and wash them separately with hot soapy water. It's recommended to place your stainless steel water bottles and detachable parts on the top rack of your dishwasher to avoid any potential damage from the high temperature. You'll want to be sure to use a dishwasher detergent that is sustainable to stainless steel. Using bleach or other abrasive cleaners can scratch your stainless steel. Usually, a regular cycle with warm temperature wash and dry settings is appropriate for your stainless steel water bottles and mugs. After your cycle is complete, be sure to towel dry any of the detachable parts as well as your water bottle, and be sure to reassemble them. If you'd like more tips like these, then be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you can be notified every time HomeGlow posts a new video. See you again soon!